Why are my Anthurium leaves turning yellow? According to Virginia Wesleyan College's website, there are more than 800 species of Anthurium andrenum, an exotic-looking flowering plant with showy bracts. Anthurium plants are native to the Andes Mountains and Caribbean. These tropical plants are prone to some problems that result in yellowing leaves. Over-fertilization. Excessive fertilizer can stifle an Anthurium plant and cause the lower leaves to turn yellow and develop brown tips. Reduce fertilizer application to a minimum and leach the soil around the plant to dissolve unnecessary solubles. Overwatering. The soil around the Anthurium should be kept moderately moist, but not soggy and wet. Overwatering the Anthurium results in the yellowing of older leaves. To treat, reduce water while maintaining a humid, low-light environment. False spider mites. False spider mites do not produce webs. Spider mites are so small that they can go unnoticed until they've caused serious damage to the Anthurium, including yellowing leaves and plant death. To treat, contact your local nursery about prescribed chemical miticides.